Welcome, here I've got Oppo A33 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick this one from the right so we can open here the advanced camera settings. And here we have the location option, so it allows us to save the information about the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need, like that. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device, so remember about these 2 parameters to make it work. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.